Hi students, in this video we will study about mode of group data. How to find mode of group data. We have a formula to find mode of group data. It is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. Okay. Now what is this L, F1, F0, F2 and H? We'll learn using an example. Okay. Before that, if you need offline tuitions, details are given in the description below. So let us come back to this example. Runs scored by 50 batsmen in a tournament are as follows. These are the runs scored and these are the number of batsmen. So 4 batsmen scored 0 to 10 runs. 8 batsmen scored 10 to 20 runs and 20 to 30 runs were scored by 15 batsmen and so on. So like this we have total 50 batsmen. Alright. Now in this, what is L? L is lower boundary of model class. Now you must be wondering what is a model class. Okay, what is mode? Mode is the highest frequency. Okay, highest frequency, or which number is coming maximum number of times, that is mode, isn't it? So what will be the model class? Model class will be which one is the highest frequency here. See, frequency here is 4, 8, 15, 12, 7 and 4. 15 is the highest frequency, isn't it? Its class of the highest frequency is called as the model class. So in our case, model class is 20 to 30 because 20 to 30 is coming 15 number of times, maximum number of times this class is coming. So this is our model class. So what is L? L is lower limit of model class. Model class is 20 to 30, isn't it? So L is the lower limit. So I am writing here L is equal to 20. Okay, lower limit. F1 is the frequency of model class. So this is F1, frequency of model class. F0 is the frequency of class preceding, previous. So this is F0 and this is F2. F2 is frequency of class succeeding model class. Succeeding means the number that is coming after F1. Alright. And what else is there? H. What is H value? H is the size of model class. What is the model class size? 10. So H is equal to 10. See here, 20 to 30. What is the difference? 10. Alright. So let us substitute these values in the formula. So we'll have mode is equal to L plus L. L is 20 plus F1. F1 is 15 minus F0 is 8 divided by 2F1. 2 into 15 minus F0 is 8 minus F2. F2 is 12 multiplied by H. H is equal to 10. Okay. So this is 20 plus 15 minus 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. So this is 30 minus 20. Okay. This 30 minus 20 will become 10. Alright. So this is, let us write 10 directly. 10 will get cancelled. So we'll have 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. Okay. So the mode is 27. Let me just check whether this is visible in the camera or not. Yes, it is visible. Alright. So this is how we need to find the mode of group data. Alright. So mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. I hope you understood this problem. If you need offline tuitions, details are given in the description below. Thank you so much for watching the video.